Artificial intelligence is quickly being integrated into human roles in the workplace, sometimes through algorithmic management, wherein employees are supervised in the execution of tasks by algorithms. But how does algorithmic management affect the perceptions of the employees being managed by these algorithms? Across 3 experiments, researchers found that many people in organizations perceived employees working under algorithmic management to be less creative overall, and therefore less deserving of resources for innovation. Algorithmic management is an emerging phenomenon whereby AI assumes the role of a human supervisor, including monitoring, compensating, and even firing workers. Algorithms purportedly increase efficiency and allow employees more time to focus on important creative tasks at work. But researchers found that team members supervised by algorithms were ultimately viewed by upper management and others as less creative. As a result, these perceptions negatively influence the allocation of innovation budgets to those supervised by algorithms. This led to the opposite effect as was originally intended, of freeing up algorithmically managed workers to do more creative work. And interestingly, this result persisted whether teams managed by algorithms were highly common or whether they were rare in an organization. As researchers better understand algorithmic management, they may better comprehend how employees are treated and perceived as they work with AI. Wonder how algorithms affect the perception of employee creativity? If so, you may want to read this paper.